Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Dovenmuehle Mortgage account online. First and foremost, to log in, make sure you have an account on Dovenmuehle Mortgage. If you do, then to log in, open your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, in the search box or URL box, you may type in dovenmuehle.com. This will take you to the official website. From the main homepage, click at the Borrowers button on the top right corner. This opens up a new web page where you will now have to enter your mortgage account username and password. Now, type in your username in the first tab. Then, type in your correct password on the second. If you have forgotten your password or username, click on Forget Username or Forget Password, which is located right below the Login button. After filling in your correct login credentials, tap on Login. You will then be logged into your Dovenmuehle Mortgage account. Now, you can access your mortgage details, make payments, and explore account-related options. This is how you can easily log into your Dovenmuehle Mortgage account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.